Okay, so let's get started. The first one, which is 3a, is saying the Venn diagram illustrates sets P, Q, and R. As you can see here, then they're saying list the elements of sets P union Q union R. Okay, so in other words, what they're saying here is that unite them. There's no complement here, meaning put those that are in set P, in set Q, and in set R together. All right, so here you can say P union Q union R is equals to open curly bracket, okay, open bracket. So we're going to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's all. Okay, 8. Now, why not 9 and 10? 9 and 10 are not in the universal set, but not in any of these three sets. So yeah, that's it. Then the other question, which is question 2, they're saying list the elements of sets P union Q complement intersect R. So here this is what you need to know. There are two sets. There is this P union Q complement and R. So meaning that saying, write what is common in P union Q complement and in R. So first, let's list the members of P union Q complement. Those that are not in these two. When you put P and Q together, then you remove them. Those that are outside P and Q, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Those are the elements that are outside the P and what? Q. So here we're going to say P union Q, the whole of it complement is equals to 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, then let's also list the R here. Okay, R. So we're going to say R, the members that are in R are in set R here. In set R I have 4 or 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. Okay, 8. Then they're saying what is common in this set and this set. That's the meaning of intersection. So when you look closely here, you have 7 and 8 in the R, and in P intersection Q union Q complement, there is 7 and 8. So the answer in P union Q complement intersect R is equals to 7, 8. Okay, so this is the answer. Are we together, my good friends? If we are still together up to this point, please consider subscribing if this is making sense to you. Consider subscribing if you haven't done so, and also like the video. Okay, just click on that like button. Okay, let's go to the next. This is 3A. Let's go to the next. So out of it is 10 marks, so we've already gotten what? 2 marks here. 4 marks, I mean. So we're remaining with 6. So let's go to the next. This is the next question, my good friends. Okay, and they're saying the sum of the interior angles of the following polygon is 540 degrees. Okay, 540 degrees. Then they're asking us to do what? To find the value of x. Okay, this is simple. This is simple. We're going to add all the angles that are inside this polygon. So let's start with this angle. This is the right angle. So it is what? 90 degrees, my good friends. 90 degrees plus 110 degrees plus 130 degrees plus 5x degrees plus 2 x degrees. Okay, then is equals to total number of angles here, which is 540. We are given there 500 and what? 40 degrees. These 3 marks, we need to find the value of what? The value of x. So let's do this, guys. Let's add like terms here. Okay. So you can group these like this. 90 plus 110, just add 10 to 90, it becomes 100. 100 plus 100 is 200. 200 plus 130 is 330. 300 and what? 30. So you have 330, 330 is 360. 330 degrees plus 5 plus 2, it is 7x degrees is equals to 540 degrees. Okay, are we together, my good friends? Okay, this mathematics is sweet. So here we collect the like terms. So we're going to leave 7x this side is equals to 540 degrees. Then this one will cross the cosine and becomes minus, since it is positive, and it will be 330 degrees as well. Then we're going to subtract here. So we're going to say this side you're going to have 7x, then 540 minus 330. So we're going to say 0 minus 0. We're going to write down here 0. 4 minus 3, it is 1. We're going to write 1, my good friends. Are we together? 5 minus 3, it is 2. So 200 and what? 210. Are we together, my lovely people? Then here, since we want to find the value of x, we're going to divide by 7, both sides, even here by 7. You're not supposed to use a calculator, remember? Okay, so x is equals to 7 into 210. It will be difficult. Just use the first 2 numbers here. 7 into 2, it can't. 7 into 21, it is 3 times. 3 plus a 0, so it becomes what? 30. So the value of x is 30 degrees. Are we together, my lovely friends? Yes. So let's go to C. Okay. C. So we've gotten 7 marks. So we are remaining with 3 on question on the first question of section B. Okay. So these question numbers, you indicate them in the first on the first page of your mathematics paper 2 exam. Don't forget to do that, my good friends. Okay. So we are given matrices here, and we're given matrix P and Q, and these are 2 by 2 matrices. And then you ask to find 2 times matrix P, and this is Q. This is like a formula, and it is very simple, my good friends. Let me show you how simple this is. So we're going to say 2, since this is 2P, it means multiply 2 by the matrix P, which is 4, negative 2, negative 3, 1, like this, minus Q. Q is 2, 5, negative 7, 0. Are we together, my good friends? Let's hope you are enjoying this movie. Okay, this journey. So we're going to multiply every term here by 2. We're going to say 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times negative 2, it is negative 4. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. 2 times 1 is 2. Okay? You see how simple this is? Minus, open bracket, this will just be the way it is, or they are. Negative 7, then 0 aside. Okay? Then we are going to subtract. The first term we're going to be subtracted by this one. So we're going to say 8 minus 2. This will be negative 4 minus 5. Then we minus 5. Then we come down here. Negative 6 minus negative 7. Okay, we are just showing here. Then we come here 2 minus 0. 2 minus 0. Like this, my good friends. My good friends, let's hope you are following. Okay, then we're going to say 8 minus 0, or minus 2, sorry. 8 minus 2 is 6. Then negative 4 minus negative 5. Oh, negative 4 minus 5. So both numbers are negative. What did we say last time, my good friends? That we subtract, we add, then get the common sign, right? So this is negative 4 and this is negative 5. So when you add them, we're going to have a 9. The common sign is negative. We are going to maintain the sign, which is negative 9. Are we together, my lovely people? Here, you have a negative and negative in between here. First, we deal with what is in between. Negative times negative, it is positive. So you have negative 6 plus 7. So they have different signs. Okay? So different signs, let me just write here. It is negative 6 plus 7 like this. So different signs. What did you say last time? When you have two numbers with different signs, we subtract. It's the opposite of this one. Here we subtract when they have different signs, then we get the sign from the bigger number. So I'm going to say 7 minus 6, it is 1. The bigger number is 7. The sign is positive, so it will just be negative or positive 1. Are we together, my lovely people? 2 minus nothing minus 0, it is what? It is 2. So this is the answer. Are we together? Okay, that is the answer to the first question. All right, let's go to